Hello friends, welcome to Easy Electronics. This is Assistant Professor Miss Kirti Nashikkar. So we are into our digital topic, which is number systems and digital codes, and we have seen all these lectures. In the last lecture we have studied the interconvergence from hexadecimal to binary number system and from hexadecimal to decimal number system. Today we have to study about ones and twos complement, and the binary addition using twos complement we will study in the next lecture. Okay, so today our complete focus is only on the ones and twos complement, and these are the future topics. So let us start with the ones and twos complement of the given binary number. So how we can find the ones complement of a binary number? We have to follow a simple procedure. We have to just replace every one of the given binary number with 0, and every 0 we have to replace with 1. So let us take one of the example for understanding this concept. I have taken one of the binary number, that is 1 0 0 1 0 1 double 0, and we have to find out the ones complement of this number. So the simple concept is we have to replace every one with corresponding 0 and every 0 with 1. So this is what we are doing. We are replacing every one with 0 and every 0 with 1, and the same procedure is followed for the rest of the numbers. Okay. So this is the number that we are getting after replacing every 1 with 0 and every 0 with 1. The number becomes 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 1. Okay, very simple. Just remember we have to replace every 1 with 0 and every 0 with 1 for finding out one's complement of the given binary number. Now, why it is called as one's complement? Because if we subtract the given number, whatever the given number may be, here in this case we have taken this number. So if we subtract this number from 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, then the result that we are getting is this number. This means if we subtract any number from the higher digit or the digits high digits or 1 1 1 1 digits, then the result that we are getting is the ones complement of that number. So that's why this is called as ones complement. Okay, then let us see the twos complement of a binary number. Again, very simply we have to follow the procedure, that is we have to first find out the ones complement of the given number, and then we have to add 1 to the LSB of the ones complement of that number. LSB is nothing but the least significant bit. So this is the formula for twos complement, ones complement of the number plus 1. Let us take one of the example. Here we have to find out twos complement of this number. So first let us write the given number that we have written over here. Now first of all we have to find out ones complement of this number. So replace each one with 0 and each 0 with 1. After replacing we are getting this number, which is 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1. Now we have to add 1 to the LSB, least significant bit of this ones complement. So after the addition we will get the twos complement. This is the twos complement. So 1 plus 1 becomes 1 0. So 0 is written over here and the carry is written on the next digit. So the number becomes 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0. So this is how we can find out the ones and twos complement of the given binary. You can take many binary numbers and just follow these simple steps and try to find out ones and twos complement of the given numbers. This is very important for the next lectures where we are going to study the binary addition and subtraction using twos complements. So for that only we must know first of all the concept of ones and twos complement. Okay. So that's why I have completely devoted this lecture on the ones and twos complement. Though it is easy, but still your concept must be clear. Okay, and we will also going to discuss some of the example on the binary addition and binary subtraction in the upcoming lecture. Okay, so thank you so much.